Hello and welcome. I am so excited to be here for the grand opening of Parkside Market. I'm really excited I got invited to come out and enjoy the experience. So there's going to be a ribbon cutting ceremony. We're going to go try the food. So come along with me as we check out the new Parkside Market at downtown Disney. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's do this.
Good morning, everybody. Oh my goodness, so many beautiful faces. What an exciting day it is. Well, good morning, everyone. My name is Jada Young, and I am one of the Disney ambassadors here at Disneyland Resort, and I am so excited to be celebrating the opening of Parkside Market here in the downtown Disney district.
In Los Angeles and all the lives that have been impacted, including so many of our own team. One of the best area cafes. Thank you so much. Let's bring up Kelly Kim, the renowned chef behind the modern Korean restaurant Seoul Sister. And last but not least, Lee Wolin, the award-winning chef behind Gigi's Chicken Shop, who was actually here with his mother Jerry, the namesake for Gigi's. So we're happy to have him here. Before I turn things back over to Jason, I do want to acknowledge one of our great friends and partners here, Kevin Bain. Kevin, raise your hand. Kevin is the co-founder and co-CEO of Boca Restaurant Group, and Kevin is truly one of the best restaurateurs in the world. So we're very, very proud of our partnership with them.
Please welcome Mickey and Minnie. Okay.
All right, everyone. Mickey and Minnie, are we ready to go? Gentlemen, are we ready? All right, we're going to need some help. We're counting down from 5, everyone. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, we are in. We're going to be trying a lot of the different foods, and I'm going to let you know what I think might be great options for kids and adults. So let's dive in.
Actually, there, and then you can see Parkside.
Oh, love it. Cheers. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Check this out. All right, first thing we're trying out from Gigi's Chicken Shop is this strawberry lemonade. It looks amazing. Frozen strawberry lemonade. Oh my gosh, that is good. You and your kids will love this. That is so yummy. All right, they are loading us up on drinks here. This is I think it's called the Parkside Breeze. It is a mocktail. It's from Vista upstairs. Is it good? It looks really good. Oh my gosh. Yes. Here with my friend Anne. She agrees. Really good. Oh my gosh. We're going to be drinking all this. We are trying more of the food. So we got the French fries from Gigi's Chicken. These are so good. They're super crispy. Your kids are going to love them. They're like seasoned really nicely. They come with like a ranch dipping sauce. These are a must. These are so good. Okay, next one we're trying are the dumplings from Seoul Sister. They've got ground beef. Now, to be honest, I'm not a big ground beef fan. These are fantastic. These are really, really good. I'm making it back. These are really good. Recommend them. They're super crispy, a lot of flavor. I definitely think kids will like them too. Try these out. All right, so if you're coming here with your kids and you want to get like a healthy option, we've got this right here from Seoul Sister. It's got avocado, it's got carrots, it's got tofu, there's kale, there's a really yummy dressing in it. This looks like it's going to be fantastic. I'm going to try it out and let you know. Okay, can confirm. This is delicious. This is like a great, like I said, healthy option if you're in here with your kids. This is so good. Speaking of kids, look what we just got to try. I haven't tried it yet. I'm assuming it's delicious. This is from Gigi's Chicken Shop. It's like what do they call it? Worms and dirt? I think that's what it is. You got like sprinkles, you got crushed Oreos, you've got like the gummy worms. I'm excited to try this out, but I think your kids will love it too. So they just brought us over another treat to try. This is from Sonder. It's a cake pop. Again, your kids Gotta love the cake pops. Then, look what else from Sip and Sonder. They actually have frozen drinks too. So this is, it had some fancy name. I'm sorry, I don't remember what it was, but it's got like, oh my gosh, it was like, oh my gosh, I'm totally blanking, but it has like all these fun flavors in it. It looks really, really good. I should say sounded really good. Oh, and it is really good. It's like, oh, I'm okay. Thank you. It's like, it's got some like vanilla in it. There's a number of flavors in here. I feel like this is a good option for like adults. Not sure that kids would like this so much, maybe, but this is good. Cake pops from Sip and Sonder. Are they all different flavors too?
I believe so.
Yeah. Got some different flavors. I know they said earlier that one was red velvet. I'm sure we got chocolate, maybe like a vanilla or cake batter, something like that. These look delicious. All right, if you're coming with your kids, we've got these amazing looking chicken tenders. These are from Gigi's Chicken Shop. Oh my goodness, what kind of sauce is that?
Honey mustard, ma'am.
Honey mustard. Do you guys have other sauce options?
Yes, we also have garlic ranch and barbecue. All homemade, 100% homemade.
Homemade chicken, oh, homemade chicken strips or homemade?
And the sauces, everything.
Oh my gosh.
The only thing that isn't homemade in the building is gonna be the actual bottled drinks.
Okay. Whoa, amazing. All right, we are heading upstairs. There is a second story here. Vista is the name of the place upstairs. It's a bar. They have alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. And if you order any of the food downstairs, they will actually come bring it up to you up here. You're sitting up here. So apparently there's a couple balconies with some really pretty views. We're gonna go check those out too. So this is one of the views from the balcony up here. The monorail is currently under refurbishment, but normally it would be going by right here. So this would make a great spot if you want to come eat your food up here, enjoy your drinks. You've got your kids, they can watch the monorail as it goes by. It's really pretty. I think also, I believe, up in the distance over there, if it was fireworks, you would be able to see the fireworks, which is really cool. So here is the bar area. It is really big. Look at the views outside. Oh my gosh. So again, they have a very big assortment of mocktails and cocktails. So you can come up here and enjoy a drink while your food's being prepared downstairs and brought up to you. This is beautiful up here. And over here on this side is the other balcony area. So this one you can sit up here. And then you have an overview of the stage area. So this is a really great spot right here if you want to sit in this area. Because when there's bands playing in downtown Disney here, you're gonna have that live entertainment. There's always people around here. This is like a busy area, although it doesn't look like it right now, but typically it's very busy. So this would be a nice area to just have that kind of entertainment. And there's a lot of seating out here. Again, right across from the bar here. The other balcony is right out that door there. And that's a wrap from Parkside Market. So thank you so much for having me out. I hope you enjoyed that. Again, this is a great spot to come with a family. They've got great kid options, great healthy options for adults, lots of really yummy treats, and really good drinks. Like the drinks that I tried were so good. So definitely check this out next time you're in downtown Disney. Thank you for being here. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.